Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Crimson Desert and the game keeps crashing on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Crimson Desert crashing on your computer easily. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your game and now you're going to make sure that you turn on VSync here. So just go into your video settings and turn on VSync, and if you have a high refresh rate monitor, just set the refresh rate to either 60 or anything below 120. Do not set it higher. Now you're going to go into graphics settings, and here you're going to make sure that you set this preset to either minimum or performance. So just set this preset to minimum or performance. After that, you're going to go into languages and gameplay, and now you're going to make sure that you turn off 3D node info in map. So this settings crashes when you open your map. Just make sure to turn this setting to off. Afterwards, you're going to go into accessibility, and now you're going to go into particle effects quality. You're going to set this to 0. Setting this to 0 will help your performance. After you're done with all of those settings, now what you're going to do is you're going to close out Crimson Desert, and then you're going to open up your game's platform. So Steam for me. Now you're going to go into Crimson Desert. You're going to right click on it. I'm going to use another game as an example. You're going to go into properties. You're going to go into install files, and here you're going to click on to verify integrity of game files on Crimson Desert. Once it's done with that, now you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write here graphics settings, and then you're going to click on to add desktop app here, and you're going to go to your Crimson Desert's games folder. So if you have the game on Steam, the default location should be in your C drive, program files 86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Crimson Desert here, and here you have the Crimson Desert exe. Click on add here. After that, go into the Crimson Desert exe on this list, and then set the GPU preference to high performance. Afterwards, just restart your computer, and once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Crimson Desert, the game will not crash anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.